Already got the speaker baffle. I got a 4-inch High-Excursion speaker mounted to the baffle. I'm gonna let you hear what it sounds like. I wonder if the surround's gonna hit the baffle. You shouldn't really install a High-Excursion speaker on like a flat metal baffle that's gonna touch the surrounds. But just for fun, I'm gonna test it out. I got the basic all the way on my receiver. Got the volume up high. I got Acid Reflux by Brandon Allen up on my computer. So let's play the song. Feel air coming out. Let's get a piece of paper. So you can hear it's hitting the baffle pretty badly. This is why you shouldn't install a High-Excursion speaker on a flat baffle that's going to touch the surround, but I did it just for fun. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Actually, this video isn't over. I got another speaker grill to test the speaker under, so let's load the same song up. I'm gonna rewind it. Try it out. Feel air coming out. So again, it sounds absolutely horrible. The surrounds are absolutely hitting the grill, and it does not sound good, but it produces a lot of air. I can feel the air come out of the holes. It's pretty fun though, but it's just pretty ridiculous. But just for fun, I just did it. So now if we want to install a High-Excursion speaker on a ceiling speaker, I suggest you use this. See, there's a gap. Well, there's no gap for this. These are good for folded cloth speakers, folded cloth surrounds. But this could be good for a High-Excursion speaker like this. So, yep. I'm gonna do a testing on this. Now here's the speaker mounted to a proper speaker baffle that allows the speaker to move more air. So I got the same song loaded up. I'm gonna rewind it again. And if this was installed in a ceiling, it'll sound even much better, even more bassy. Plus, if there's a gasket around, it'll sound like a really good bass speaker. So yeah, that's it. I'm gonna end this video now. Thanks for watching.